Hi Jenny, I wanted to show you what I've been doing to try to clean up your class from that publisher import. Unfortunately, when you import a publisher anything, it does take over your Blackboard shell, so I'm going to show you how you can get some of that stuff out of your grade center. So I'm in your class, you can see right here. I'm in course documents, which is where the instructor resources lie. So that's where all of your stuff is. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff in here also for students. And the student side is where all of those tests have been deployed that we need to try to get out of this because they are impacting your grade center. So I've already gone through chapters 1, 2, and 3. I'll show you what to do in chapters 4 and on so that you can get some of this stuff cleaned up. I'm going to go to chapter 4. And you can see it starts out with quizzes just right out of the box. And all I have to do is take this drop-down check-on and click delete. I'm not deleting the actual quiz, I'm just deleting the assignment to that quiz. So now students won't have to worry about taking this test. It isn't assigned to them. So I did that, and then we've got a bunch of this psych sim stuff that is also clogging up your grade center. So I'm using that drop-down check-on to delete this as well. Again, it is not actually deleted, it's just no longer assigned. All of those things still live in your test surveys and forms. See all 3 pages of this stuff. Here's your psych sim stuff. So you can see that this is one of them that I just deleted the assignment to. It still lives here. So you can deploy it anytime you choose to, but we don't need to have everything in there all the time. So come back into course documents, back into student resources, and I want to make sure I've got everything in chapter 4. And I did. So next step would be chapter 5, and we do the exact same process. All I'm trying to do is make sure that these quizzes are out so that your grade center is not an issue. You will have to go through and decide what other parts of these you want your students to have access to. Right now they can see all of it. Sorry about that. I clicked the wrong button. So if you decide that you don't want the students to have access to some of this information, like if we look at this sound and sound localization, I can turn this and can edit this item and make sure that it is not available to students. So it's completely up to you. I'm going to leave it as yes. So if you don't want students to have access to it, you will need to edit those items and say no. Remember, I said yes because I am not going to determine what is in your class and what is not. So keep scrolling down. Anytime you see one of these quizzes, just delete it. It's the assignment to the quiz, not the actual quiz. And this will start cleaning up your grade center. The more you do this, the better your grade center is going to be. So it really wasn't your fault, but whenever you do download those publisher content folders, it will take over everything. So there's chapter 5 done for you as well. So your turn is to go through your course documents and your student resources, and you're going to clear out the tests for chapter 6 through Appendix A, because there are tests in all of these guys. Well, maybe not in Appendix A, but I know that in Appendix there are. So, see? Ta-da! So, that's what you need to do. That will clear out your grade center. It will also not confuse your students as much. So, that's where you find it. It's all in course documents. And you just go to student side and delete these quizzes. So, I'll take Alright, So there you go. Have fun.